Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a simple apple pie. First, let's prepare the crust. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cold butter, and a pinch of salt. Mix these until crumbly, then gradually add about 1/2 cup of ice water until a dough forms. Divide the dough into 2 discs, wrap them, and chill for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a flaky crust. Next, let's prepare our delicious apple filling. You'll want about 6 to 8 medium apples, which is roughly 6 cups once peeled, cored, and sliced. In a large bowl, toss the apple slices with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A small squeeze of lemon juice helps prevent browning and brightens the flavor. Mix everything gently to coat the apples evenly. Now it's time to assemble your pie. Roll out 1 chilled dough disc and carefully place it into a 9-inch pie plate. Pour in your apple filling, mounding it slightly in the center. Roll out the second dough disc and place it over the apples. Crimp the edges to seal and cut a few small vents on top for steam to escape. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce to 375 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. The hardest part is waiting. Let your freshly baked apple pie cool for at least 2 hours before slicing. This allows the filling to set properly, ensuring perfect slices. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of fresh whipped cream for an extra special treat. It's truly a comforting dessert. And hey, while you're enjoying your pie, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.